Welcome friends, welcome to yet another video on Vedic maths. Today we are going to discuss uh, multiplication of two digit numbers. It's very similar to the previous video where we learned multiplication of single digit number. We'll be following the same steps which we followed there. So instead of subtracting from 10, we'll be subtracting by 100 here. If in case you guys missed the last video, I would recommend you go and check it out, right? So let me take an example. Let us take two digit number 94, 92. So this method will help only if in case these two numbers are very close to 100. Okay, these are the two numbers and we have to calculate the answer for this. So step number 1 is to subtract 94 and 92 from 100. So what is 94 minus 100? It's minus 6, right? 96 minus 92 minus 100 is minus 8, correct? Now step 2 is to first let me put a partition here, right? And we'll call this as a left side and this is the right side. Cool. So there is a rule of thumb. On the left hand side of product there should be two digits and there could be whichever number of digits on the right hand side, right? So how do we calculate the left hand side of a product? So here comes the step 2. You multiply this two number, whatever you got here, you multiply them, right? What is minus 6 into minus 8? It's 48. Yes, you write it here. So you got your left hand side. How do you get right hand side? It's very similar to the previous video. You take one of this pair, right? You take either this pair or you take this pair and do the subtraction. So what is 94 minus 9? 8. It's 6, right? 96. Sorry, 86. What I was thinking. There you go. This is your answer. So your answer is, you combine these two, answer is 8648. Isn't it very simple? It's very simple, guys, right? It's very simple. See, it can solve your lot of problem. Now let us take another example. I'm taking this example. How about we take this example? It's very easy peasy. 98 minus 97. Not minus, multiply by 97. Okay. Step number 1, you subtract by 100. So you write it here. It's minus 2 minus 3, correct? Step number 2, you do a partition here. Step number 3, you calculate this is a partition. Sorry, it doesn't look like a partition, but it's a partition. You calculate the right hand side of the product. So right hand side, it should be having two digits, right? How do you get that number? You multiply this two. What do you get? 6. As I said, it should have two digit number, so you add 0 here because the product is 6, right? You have here. So this is your right hand side of a product. How do you get a left hand side of a product? You pick one of this pair. Either you pick this or you pick this and do the subtraction. What is 97 minus 2? It's 95, right? So there you go. This is your answer. 9506. There you go. Now let me take another example. Let me use this color. Looks good. We'll do this one. What the 81 into 88. Cool. Step number 1, you subtract from 100. You get what this. Step number 2. Sorry, step number 1 only. You get this number. You got it right. How I came up with 9? It's simple. 91 minus 100 is minus 9. 88 minus 100 is 12, right? Step number 2, you add a partition here. Step number 3, you multiply these two things. What do you get? 108, correct? You write it here on the right hand side of the product. 108, right? Now what I said, the right hand side of the product should have exactly two digits. So this two digits, right? And this one has to be passed on, right? We'll pass on this to here. First of all, let me calculate the left hand side of the product, left hand side of the product. So you pick this, right? What is 88 minus 9? It's 79. Yes, if I'm not wrong. Cool. Now what do? You have to pass on this one, right? So you pass on one here and you get your answer. I mean, you obviously add it, this two number. What is 79 plus 80? It's 79 plus 1, it's 80. And what is the right hand side of the product? It's 08. This is your answer. There you go. This is your answer. This is how you solve a problem. Let me write it here. Answer is 8080. You can cross verify. You can bring out your calculator and verify it. It's absolutely correct. See, it's very easy. We can do one. We can pick one more example like this. Let me pick this example. 94. This is a 9 and 88. Step number 1, you subtract from 100. What is the? It's minus 6, right? Put minus 6 or a minus 14. Cool. Now step number 2, partition. Step number 3, multiply. It is 14, 6 are what, 84. You get, write it here. Now calculate left hand side. How do you calculate? You pick this pair or this pair. Let me pick 86 and minus 6. You get what? 80. 86 minus 6 is 8084. So there you go. This is your answer. 8084 is the answer for this question. Isn't it very simple, right? I hope you guys might have understood the trick by now. So as the ritual, I would be giving you some examples for you guys to practice, and I want you to practice to consolidate all the tricks we learned. Right? Question number 1 is this one, and while you after solving, please post this answer into comment section. I will verify. If in case you have any doubt, please reach out to me. You can reach out to me via YouTube comments. I will try to resolve those as soon as possible. Let me give another example. These are very easy. You guys can easily do it, and I think this is very interesting thing as well. Let us take another example. 98, 88, 93, 88. You guys multiply this. You should be noting this down. I hope all these steps, all the questions which we solved are enough for you guys to understand this trick. So on this note, I'm ending today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If in case you enjoyed it, please subscribe, share, like, comment, whatever you want to do, and please take something out of this video and be confident in maths from now on. I hope you have a great maths journey. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye bye.